In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align text in Obsidian. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can get clean left, center, or right alignment inside your notes using a tiny bit of HTML that Obsidian understands. First, open Obsidian. Make sure you're in the vault where you want this note to live. It helps to stay organized, so start by creating a new folder. This keeps your alignment examples or related notes in one place and makes them easy to find later. Next, create a new note inside that folder. Give it a clear name so you'll remember what it demonstrates. With the note open and your cursor in the editor, you're ready to add aligned text. Here's the key idea. Obsidian supports inline HTML in notes, so we'll use a paragraph tag with an align attribute. To center a line, type the following exactly as words I'm saying: less than, the letter P, a space, the word align, an equals sign, an opening quotation mark, the word center, a closing quotation mark, and then a greater than sign. It should sound like this when spoken: less than P, space align equals quote, center, quote, greater than, and that opens a centered paragraph. Right after that, type the text you want to align. For example, you could write a heading, a quote, or any sentence you want centered. When you're done with that line, close the paragraph to tell Obsidian where the aligned section ends. To close it, type less than, a forward slash, the letter P, and a greater than sign. That sounds like less than slash P greater than. If you want left or right alignment instead, repeat the same structure but change the word center to left or right inside the quotes. Left alignment is the default in most notes, but using the tag ensures consistency if you're mixing alignments on the same page. You can repeat this pattern anywhere in your note. Open the paragraph tag with the alignment you want, type your text, and close the tag. If you don't immediately see the alignment change, switch to reading view or enable live preview so the formatting renders. Also watch for typos in the tag. Missing a quote or the closing slash is the most common reason alignment doesn't appear. That's all there is to it. Open Obsidian, create your folder and note, add the paragraph tag with align set to center, left or right, type your text, and close the tag. Simple, reliable, and easy to reuse across your notes.